Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new video dedicated to the world of aviation. Wednesday, December 28, 2022. A Piper PA-28 of Belluno AirClub is doing a tourist flight over the mountains of northern Italy with 3 people on board. Suddenly an engine problem reduces the plane's power, forcing the pilot to do an emergency landing. At over 2,000 meters above sea level, the pilot managed to land on the snow, saving all the occupants. Subsequently, the rescuers secured the plane, emptying it of fuel and anchoring it to the ground to prevent it from sliding downhill.